you like hiking and backpacking, then you'll love my channel. If you want to subscribe, please click on this icon and click the subscribe button. If you want to watch more videos, just click down here on the last 10 seconds of my videos and smash that like button. We're at the trailhead. I don't know if the restrooms are actually open or not. Oh, yes they are. This is where we're going. Here we are. Only hikers are on this trail. 72. So this is a very popular hike. That's why I got here so early in the morning, because lots of people tend to come out here and go hiking. It's about 3.5 miles in, about a 7 or 8 mile hike altogether. It should be a very well worn in trail. I believe they did some trail work on this like last year. Looks like it does go underneath a bypass of some sort. It's about 74 degrees. You can also backpack here, and there's tent sites all over this place. There's one down there. Trails that go down to some campsites. Of course, dispersed camping. Honestly, I wouldn't want to go camping here just because it's really close to Gainesville, and Gainesville gets a lot of traffic to this trail. I mean, this trail is almost an urbanized trail, even though it's a pretty long trail. The river, I'm pretty sure we're going to be hiking right along this river for quite some time. These trees are pretty tall. There's a little open area. It looks like a right-of-way, and you can see people go down there. They've made a trail. Yep, it's a right-of-way. Look what we got here. We got some raspberry. Campsite down by the river. So this trail is really rooty. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is pretty. You gotta watch out sometimes. Make sure you're not gonna trip and fall over these roots. They really do need to come back in here and put a lot of dirt down, you know, because this has been compacted over the years. I wanted to say Happy Father's Day, because today is Friday, but it will be Father's Day on Sunday. So shout out to my dad, who always taught me to love the outdoors. I love you, Dad, and I hope you have a great weekend. The first ever hike that I really got into with my dad was, well, that I can remember anyways, is the Buckeye Trail. We hiked the Buckeye Trail. It was awesome. Yeah, my dad, we always went camping, hiking, fishing. Here's a wet spot in the trail. Oh, this is really cool. It's like a little overhanging. Looks like the trail goes over there. It looks like some people graffitied. And this is part of the trail. So this could be kind of treacherous, so Be careful. So, but anyways, it looks like the trail has been rerouted to over here. Follow the green markers. Looks like there's a bridge for us to cross up over there. Now, this is a pretty nice bridge. It's a mushroom. There's some kind of bug. Looks like it's trying to sting something. So my first real experience with falling in love with nature was actually in biology class. Learning about all the species of trees and shrubs. So the trail turned into sand, and it's getting kind of overgrown right through here. Oh, the butterflies. This would be a cool place to camp. You got a camping ring right next to a waterfall, little cascade, these big giant rocks. That is really cool. Yep, this is part of the trail. Very rooty, so be careful. Little creek crossing. This is the trail. We have this metal grating here to stop you from falling off the rock. We got these like little steps. Absolutely gorgeous. Chill here for a little bit. The waterfall is pretty crowded. Wow. The water is really cold. What life is about. Getting outdoors. So I'm going to filter some water with my Sawyer. Squeeze. I've already put water in the bottle, so this is dirty water. So it finally is blue skies. It's beautiful. It's about 12 in the afternoon. This is kind of cool. There is like one spot on this trail where I had to duck. So beware tall people. Here's the other creek crossing. Well, I just guess I fed this little salamander's dinner because it ate an ant, and I flung that ant over there because it was on me. It was a giant carpenter ant. Oh, that little sucker. He came out of nowhere and just snatched it right up. That is so cool.